All right, gang, show you something I picked up. I travel a lot, and so one of the things that is very annoying in traveling is always and constantly removing all of your chargers that are nice and by your bedside to pack them up, to take them with you, to travel with them so that you can have all your devices, only to have to put them back and reset them all up as soon as you get home. So I've decided to pick up a few items to help with that. And that's where this comes in. If you're not familiar with what this is, you probably don't own an Apple Watch. This is actually an Apple Watch fast charger. This one is made by Travel Depot, and I absolutely love it. It's a great way for me to just throw this into my bag so that I always have a fast charger with me, which is really important, especially if you're traveling with an Apple Watch. You know how annoying it can be for these to run down, to run low, to run out of battery. So you do kind of need to carry one of these with you. And while this one is made by Travel Depot, it's got all of the features that you know and love. It is a magnetic fast charger, so you're going to get a full charge in just a couple hours from this. It's got short circuit protection, overheat protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, all the protections you could think of built into this. It is a nice braided cable. It does have a nice Velcro strap for cable management so that you can throw it in there and not worry about it getting all tangled, and it is a USB-C device. If you are looking for a good replacement charger or a charger to throw in your travel bag for your Apple Watch, man, check this out. It is made by Travel Depot, and I think you're going to love it.